Let's make asaro for dinner. Asaro ready, but no palm oil. I don't know how long it's going to take me to return to using palm oil in my porridge, but for now, I just want to enjoy this version. You have to try this recipe. I started off with a little vegetable oil, some onions and garlic, followed by a rich blend of peppers. Fry this like you would for jollof rice before introducing yam and sweet potatoes. At this time, this is properly fried, so it's a good time to add yam and some sweet potatoes. The sweet potatoes will add sweetness to this dish without having to use any sugar. I added some chicken stock, water, salt. I will cover and cook this till soft. And this is some 20 minutes later. It looks so good. A little green bell pepper for flavor, and I will mash this. By now the sweet potatoes were just falling off on their own, but I won't mash completely. If you like to mash completely or you don't like to mash at all, please go ahead and just do you. Some people don't like to mash at all, while others will mash completely, but I like to stay in between. What I have here is perfect for me. I love it. So I will cover this on very low heat for another 5 minutes. And that's it. Asaro is ready. Now tell me how you're going to know that I did not use palm oil in this yam porridge if I did not tell you. This was so good and the taste is very different from the regular one. So if you're looking to try out a different yam porridge recipe, this is the one. I served mine with some plantains, a foriro and fish. Thank you everyone for watching. I will see you with another one soon.